Hey viewers, so in today's video we're going to see the assignment operator in C++. Assignment operator is simply means that assigning the right hand side value to the left hand side value. So we'll be going to see the line by line all of them. So let's start our code. To start our code, I am using an online compiler, and then we are declaring the two variable int a equals to 10 and int b equals to 20. And in the next line we are going to use a plus equals to b and then semicolon, then we print the that message cout and then a semicolon. As you can see on the screen, the output is 30. The reason behind is that why the output is 30. So let's see the process of it. So you can see on the screen that a equals to and a plus b. Actually is we are assigning the b as well as the a value to the a. In that line it want to say that the a value is 10 and b equals to 20, and then we are doing the addition and plus we are assigning that value, total value, to the a. So that's why the a value is 30. And in next, and we can do the by minus also. By minus, it will give you the minus 10, minus a minus b, it will give you the minus 10, and if you use the percentage, then it will give you the remainder. And you can use the star also for the multiplication. A equals to a into b equals to b 200, and the value of a will be 200. If you might get confused, then simply understand that in this code we are doing the a plus b, then total, the sum of the total value will be assigned to the a value. It means that. So hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel.